10 Facts About Dogs. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. If you love dogs, gather round because we're about to share the top 10 fascinating facts about them. Stick with us till the very end so you don't miss out on any of these details. Let's dive into the video. Number 1. Dogs have a sense of time. Dogs are capable of estimating time intervals, such as when their owners will come home from work or when they will be fed. One study found that dogs can even tell time based on how long their owners have been away from home. The study showed that dogs displayed more excitement and activity levels when their owners returned home after 2 hours, compared to when they returned after just half an hour. This suggests that dogs have a concept of time that allows them to understand the passing of time and anticipate events based on how long they've been waiting. Number 2. Dogs have a sixth sense for natural disasters. Some dogs can sense natural disasters such as earthquakes, tornadoes, and tsunamis before they happen, thanks to their acute senses. Dogs have long been known to exhibit unusual behavior before natural disasters, leading some people to believe that they have a sixth sense for detecting such events. There are many anecdotal reports of dogs acting strangely or erratically before earthquakes, hurricanes, or other natural disasters, but more research needs to be done to learn more about this phenomenon. One theory is that dogs may be able to detect changes in the Earth's magnetic field, atmospheric pressure, or other subtle changes in the environment that occur before natural disasters. This could explain why some dogs have been observed acting nervously or barking excessively before earthquakes or other disastrous events. Number 3. Dogs have 3 eyelids. Dogs have a third eyelid that helps keep their eyes moist and protected. A dog's third eyelid, also known as the nictitating membrane or haw, is a thin layer of tissue that covers the eye from the inner corner and sweeps across the eye's surface, helping to clear away any dirt or debris that may be present. The third eyelid is located underneath the lower eyelid, and it is usually not visible when the dog's eye is open. In addition to its protective function, the third eyelid also contains a gland that produces tears to help lubricate the eye. Number 4. Dogs have a sense of smell up to 100,000 times better than humans. Dogs have about 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to humans' 6 million. Dogs are often used to detect drugs, explosives, and other contraband, and they are able to sniff out even tiny amounts of these substances. They are able to detect subtle changes in a person's scent that occur when their blood sugar levels change, making them valuable companions for people with diabetes. Some dogs are able to detect the presence of cancer cells in a person's body, potentially leading to earlier diagnosis and treatment. Number 5. Dogs can dream. Just like humans, dogs experience rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, which is associated with dreaming. Research has shown that dogs tend to dream about activities and experiences that they have had while awake, such as playing, chasing, or spending time with their owners. During REM sleep, which is the stage of sleep where dreaming is most likely to occur, dogs may twitch, whine, or even make running movements with their legs, indicating that they are experiencing some level of dream activity. While we can't know for sure what dogs are dreaming about, it's clear that they experience dreams just like humans do. It's also important to note that dogs, like humans, need adequate and uninterrupted sleep in order to stay healthy and well-rested. Number 6. Dogs can see in color. Contrary to popular belief, dogs are not completely colorblind. They can see some colors, but not as vividly as humans. While humans have 3 types of color receptors in their eyes that allow them to see the full spectrum of colors, dogs only have 2 types of receptors, which means that they have a more limited color range. However, dogs can still see some colors, including blues and yellows. In fact, studies have shown that dogs can distinguish between different shades of blues and yellows, which means that they are not completely colorblind. Number 7. Dogs have been companions to humans for thousands of years. The exact timeline is not entirely clear, as the domestication of dogs is a complex and ongoing process that began long ago. But most experts believe that the first domesticated dogs appeared around 15,000 years ago. The process of domestication likely began when wolves started to hang around human settlements in search for food scraps. Over time, some wolves became less fearful of humans and more tolerant of living in close proximity to them. These wolves may have gradually evolved into the dogs we know today, as humans began to selectively breed them for specific traits like size, intelligence, and temperament. By about 10,000 years ago, dogs had become an integral part of human society, serving as hunting partners, protectors, and even companions. Since then, they have continued to play an important role in human life, and today, they are one of the most beloved and popular pets in the world. Number 8. Dogs can understand up to 250 words and gestures. Some dogs are capable of understanding up to 250 different words and gestures, making them highly trainable. One of the reasons dogs are able to understand human language so well is their ability to pick up on subtle cues like tones of voice and body language. Dogs are highly attuned to human emotions, and they can often tell from your tone of voice and body language what you are trying to communicate, even if they don't understand the words themselves. In addition to understanding words, dogs are also very good at responding to gestures and visual cues. They can learn to associate specific hand signals or gestures with certain commands or behaviors, and they can even pick up on more subtle cues like pointing or nodding. Overall, the ability of dogs to understand both words and gestures is a testament to their intelligence and their ability to communicate with humans in a way that no other animal can. This deep understanding and connection between humans and dogs is one of the things that make dogs such beloved and popular pets. Number 9. Dogs are capable of complex emotions. Dogs experience a range of complex emotions, such as love, joy, grief, and jealousy. They can form deep attachments to their human family members and other animals, and they often exhibit a range of emotional responses to different situations. For example, a dog might become excited and happy when their human family returns home, or they might become anxious and fearful during a thunderstorm or fireworks displays. They might show signs of jealousy and possessiveness if they feel like their favorite toy or treat is being taken away, or they might become protective and defensive if they sense a threat to their human family or home. Studies have shown that dogs have many of the same brain structures and chemical processes that are associated with emotions in humans, such as the release of oxytocin during social bonding and the activation of the amygdala during fear or anxiety. Additionally, dogs are capable of reading and responding to human emotions, which suggests that they have a certain degree of emotional intelligence. Number 10. Dogs can be funny. They are capable of developing a sense of humor. While it may seem like dogs' actions are purely instinctual or driven by the desire for food or play, research has shown that dogs are actually capable of experiencing joy and humor. This is because dogs are highly social animals that are attuned to their owner's emotional states and mood. They are also known for their playful and mischievous nature, which can often be interpreted as a form of humor. In fact, some dog owners report that their pets seem to intentionally perform funny or silly actions to get a laugh or a reaction from their owners. This unique ability to understand and respond to human emotions and humor is part of what makes dogs such beloved companions. Okay guys, that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel to see more captivating content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.